Hey everyone, welcome to Spartan V for all your hair, system and lifestyle needs. Today's video is sponsored by Lavivid, so thank you very much for this. And we've got the lovely Lavivid box for the hair. So as usual, if you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe. So today we are using Justin again for the new system. So the system that is being used today is the Lavivid Ultra Thin Skin 0.03mm with the Businessman's Choice. So this should be, a very realistic look that we're going for. So Justin before had the full French lace. Do you want to give him a sort of rundown on how it was working for you?
Yeah, well, the lace was really good up until a point. I was having great difficulty with the tape. It just wouldn't adhere to my scalp.
Yeah.
But I think it's because I come from quite a mixed heritage. Like my mum's Spanish and Middle Eastern. We have very oily heads.
Okay.
So it would break down very quickly. And I found myself putting glue on the lace, on the tape, then onto my head, and then eventually the tape would come off, but the glue would keep the tape on. And it was just a lot of hard work, but absolutely nothing wrong with the lace itself. It was just the way of kind of fixing it to my head. I wasn't getting on with that.
Okay, cool. So what we're actually going to try today with this thin skin, we're actually going to use all glue, purely because the tape wasn't working brilliantly with Justin's hair. Problem is as well, Justin does have quite a bit of hair still. So I think the glue is going to get more into those gaps and help it stick a lot more. So we're going to go for basically the same sort of style, just with the new system, and we'll see how we get on. So there we go, system is fitted. We've kept it long how he likes it. So again, he can play with it, push it to the side, he can end up tying it up, whatever he wants to do, he can actually sort of play around with it, just like he did on the previous system. So Justin, how do you feel with the poly system compared to French lace?
You know what, it feels very different, and it feels a lot nicer to touch. With the lace, unless you had it really taut and tight, when you put your hands through your hair, you'd hear like a crunchy thing, and it's a bit weird. But this, you don't hear that. It's very much a natural kind of hair rustling noise, which is really nice. It wasn't a big deal, but it's just something I always had in the back of my head, like, oh no, what if I don't know, when I'm working, one of the people starts to like, oh, is that real hair? Then it just opens up a can of worms. Not that I really have that as an issue, because I'm very open about it. Like, yeah, this is what I'm doing, this is what I'm wearing, because it's very much for work.
Okay.
But yeah, it's really good. This one's it's really light, and I thought it was gonna be really hot and sweaty and kind of restrictive, but it's actually surprisingly comfortable.
Yeah, I must admit, the the actual hair itself is brilliant quality. You know, I've got to admit, like, it's super soft, and it's, you know, the front hairline is really, really good. We're going to do some adjustments on our next fitting, just to make the template a bit smaller, stretch it out a bit, and I'm actually going to use a new glue. I've decided this Walker Ultra Hold glue is not very good at doing touch-ups, and it is very messy, so I'm going to try a different glue next time. But otherwise, like, this is like a really, really good hair, so I'm well impressed with this. There we have it, Justin's second system. So we're going to obviously keep playing with this and see basically how we go with it. It's definitely sticking a lot better. We used all glue on this one, and it stuck so much better than the tape did for him. So yeah, you know, thank you again, Justin.
No, anytime. Thanks for
having me. You enjoy the hair itself, and yeah, we'll provide another update soon. But otherwise, thanks for watching, everyone.